Hi, my name is Simon Liu. I'm a residential realtor with Happy Homes Vancouver and Keller Williams Realty, Van Central in Vancouver, BC. Today's video is about a simple household hack. So, when is a door not a door? When it's ajar. Speaking of doors, what we have here is a door that won't latch. You can see it closes and it stays in place, but it just doesn't lock. The reason it does this is because the frame has shifted. This is due to settlement, or this is some kind of damage that was caused at some point. So, as you can see, the latch itself is supposed to go into the hole on the door frame, but right now it's actually too low. What we're going to try to do today is shift the door so that it goes back up and realigns itself. What we're going to need for this project are some simple tools you probably have around the home. What we have is a screwdriver with a Phillips head bit, a pair of scissors, a punch, and what we have is an Allen key for the lower hinge, and a hammer. What we have also are some business cards, and the reason we have the business cards is that they are actually a perfect fit shim for the hinge. The first step to this project is just to pop the doors off. So we're going to take the punch. We're going to take our screwdriver and take one of the hinges off. So we have the hinge off from the lower hinge on this door. We're trying to raise the door, the bottom side of it, to line up the latch. So what we're going to do is take these cards that I explained earlier is a perfect fit, and we're going to take the scissors and cut around it. So we're going to do a few of them. I think we're going to need about 6 on this door. We have the hinge all shimmed now, so we're going to try to put the door back on and see if we can get it to line up. So we've got the shims onto the door side of the hinge, and now we've got the door back on, and we're going to try it now, see if it works. There you go, it latched. So this is the hack for today. It's meant to be a temporary fix. The proper way to do it is to actually remove the trims and then shim it from the frame. But this is just short term. It was quick, it's easy, and anyone can do it. Thank you for watching.